want to go
Can I
eat a
please
leaf.
have some corn?
Where's the leaf for me to eat?
Some corn?
Can you go find me a leaf?
Corn.
This is
Here, you can
adorable.
bring
We're
her
at
the
the
frying pan, yeah.
the nature center.
And then see if you can grab a leaf.
She said she's making what are you making, Helen?
Lettuce.
Cider.
I need some. I'm making cider, and I need lettuce for.
No, he's getting the lettuce.
But there's a little more in there.
That's okay. You can use that.
There's some pieces.
No, he's just eating. He's a happy caterpillar.
This is so adorable what they did here. It's all new.
I can
Thanks.
With that.
But he just turned into cocoon first. Oh, what? And then he popped into a bit of
What's that, Helen?
I'm
You're gonna wash the corn?
Here, cook with her.
Okay. It's time for us to clean up. We've been here like an hour. Actually, okay, not on my face. Okay, remember how there's
Why
a lot
did
of
they
germs
not
on
put
those?
a stove here?
Ooh, Gavin.
Where's the stove?
Guess what?
Oh, a stove. That's true, huh? Well, you need a pan, and then you're gonna cook it over the fire. Hold it over the
Look at all the
fire.
animals
I
go.
have to. Could I please use your pan?
Oh, yes.
Hey, the chip.
Yes, can you get that?
Oh, this is the green.
Gavin. We got to clean up.
And I'm doing the steak too.
And the steak. Oh, that sounds like a good idea.
Hey, Gavin, ready? Are you going to catch these? Ready to catch? Okay, we'll put the sturgeon
No, I
down.
can still do it.
Really? Okay, ready? Okay, put them back in the bucket. Okay, put them in the bucket. Ready?
This is all cooked. Watch this. It's gonna make a wild.
Is that all cooked?
I'll put it.
Oh, good idea.
It can make a loud noise.
Yeah, that is.
Okay, before we move on, we gotta clean up.
He's been in here
There's
and
just sitting inside there.
I cannot believe it.
Mom, can I please have a
Look at
carrot?
the big fish you caught. I know, it's
I need a carrot, please.
What, baby?
Carrot.
Okay.
Did you see that picture like a couple weeks ago? The guy on the Boise River.
No, I don't need those
So
carrots.
big.
I need those carrots up there.
Oh, that's part of. They don't want you to take that down.
We're gonna try and catch the zoos.
That's part of the.
Buffalo.
That's way up there. It's just decoration.
Remember when
I'll
you saw
cut
it?
this.
Uh-huh.
I'll cut this in half.
What's that?
Remember at Yellowstone?
Got my knife.
Follow me, young man.
Oh, I love that.
Mushroom.
How do you know how to do that? You just came right in and did it because you don't have those at home.
I'm cooking.
Oh, it's delicious.
It's okay, honey. Don't put it right on the side. Make sure you have room. Move things out of the way so you can make room for yourself. Got your cutting board.
I'll cut this potato. I cut the potato. Now I'm gonna cut the carrot. Now I'm gonna cut this carrot.
I love
Carrot's
that.
nice and cut.
It's so neat to the Velcro to cut the stuff. I know. It seems like
And now
that'd be
cut
great.
The
She'd like to
tomato.
have that.
And I cutted the tomato.
Mm-hmm.
Now
That's
let's
very
cook
cool.
it.
She's cooking. Oh, look, she's cooking over the fire.
Wow, nice work.
Here.
Nice roasted vegetables.
Sit there and I'll give it to you when I'm ready. Oh, a mailbox.
Mm-hmm.
That's a cute mailbox.
Careful.
Oh, a fossil.
It's a fossil.
What does
It's
it
a
say?
jawbone, teeth.
What does it say?
It says gray wolf.
Gray wolf.
This is real teeth.
That's real teeth?
Yeah, that's the top jawbone. This is his canine.
Oh, I got that in my thing.
Oh, you know what? I'm really hungry for
What?
some pan-seared salmon.
That sounds good.
We are gonna. Huh? Look.
Well, first you need your pan.
Look.
It's a window.
Oh, they did such a great
I'll see through the
job
window.
in here.
Careful.
Wow.
You like that?
Why did they not make it moving?
Well, because it's just sort of fake. Now stay there. Say hi.
Hi. This is a cute playroom.
It is.
Oh, look up there.
And then it's all the pelts and they're real. Yep.
We got salmon. Got some salmon. We got some salmon I need to cut. I'm gonna cut this fish. I cut the fish.
Mm-hmm.
Now I got to get my pan.
She goes, I'm gonna cook a steak.
I'll put the tomato in here. The mushroom in there. The carrot in here. The potato in there. The
Corn
steak
pone.
in there. And now I have a pan to cook that.
Oh, and how about some lovely green vegetables?
Uh-huh.
Are they pan seared?
Uh-huh.
Good job.
Oh, she's cooking the fish up.
The fish is nice.
Look at her in her adorable, it's brand new, her London fog coat. That mommy got
Where's
her
the
for
plate?
$11
Where's the plate that I need?
at Kids Again. Yeah,
Oh,
well,
look.
there's a plate.
Where?
See, they're over there, honey, the plate
Oh,
with the
wait.
steak on it.
Uh-huh. And chicken.
Mm-hmm, and chicken.
We have some lovely in there.
Some lovely lettuce.
Uh-huh. We got fish. Want me to cut something?
Mm-hmm.
What can I cut? Oh, how about this?
Maybe place it correct first. Just pull, yeah.
Now I'll cut this.
It's ridiculous, we still have that. Oh,
Broccoli?
mm-hmm. That goes good with fish.
You want some of this and this? There we go. Want some corn too? I'll shuck the corn.
Oh, don't pull it off though. They don't want it pulled off. That's part of the
Here's some
decorations.
corn.
Mm.
And now I'll cut some of this corn. Now I'll cut this corn right here.
Oh, nice job.
And all this nice. I'm gonna cook all this stuff on the pan.
Mmm.
Even
What did you?
some
What?
tomato and
Yeah. What are you cooking?
just
What's your ingredients? What's your ingredients here?
I'll put all the empties over there.
Yeah. Helen, what are your ingredients in your pan?
I
Tell me.
can't tell you yet. Okay? I'm still cooking. Those two go in the pan too. And some steak and chicken.
Mm-hmm.
And now I'll cook all this stuff.
Over the fire. It's so cute, honey.
I'll put this over
That's a candle.
Was it real for a while?
Well, here, let's leave it up there.
Why is it-
They want it on the. They
Why
want
is
it over
not
the
lit?
fire there.
Can I put any bears?
Mm-hmm. No, you don't touch anything, huh? Now, before we move on,
No, I'm just looking at these. You're sticky.
that's kind of scary. Here's his nest.
You got bird. Look at there's a fish here. Hey, is that an eagle?
That's a bald eagle.
That's a fish there, that they're going to eat, and that's look at that cute little baby. No, don't deliver it to the
Oh, are you serving? Wow. Tell me. Tell me what you've got.
I can't right now. I'm busy. I got him downstairs.
You got to finish the salad?
Salad.
Hmm?
Where's that pan?
You gonna sear some lettuce?
Yeah. And there's some more lettuce in here.
We'll just carefully get it out.
Over here like this. Some leaves of lettuce. Where's the plate?
Your plate's full over there, huh? Full.
What can I use for another plate?
You can use the pan.
Pull the lettuce off of here?
No.
No, it was in the thing like that. No,
Daddy, you don't need to fix it.
it was already in
This right there.
the pan. I mean, it was already in the bucket like that.
Oh, let's push it back in. Here we go, and away we go. There you go.
That's what it's for.
Put it backwards. Silly pop. There you go, young lady.
I'm gonna make it perfect.
Good job, chef.
That was a quick sear.
Oh.
Okay, what are you
One
serving?
more person. There. Salad now.
Nice.
I'll serve it on the pan. There you go. What?
Okay, so what are you serving? Let's see. That's bison. A bison skull. Look at those gigantic teeth.
I think this.
Where the eyeball was.
I think this is a dead bison.
Yeah, it's a skull.
What happened to it? I
Uh,
think this is the fur. I think that's the fur. I think this is the fur of this skull.
Yeah, it is. It's the pelt. That's right. It's real.
Real?
Mm-hmm. Yep. All the pelts in here and heads are real.
I found the baby
Now,
fish.
what's that?
Oh no.
Give me
Look
the
at this
salmon.
big
I
one.
want salmon.
I got a big salmon.
Yes, you do. Whoa.
I'll put it over here.
Okay, you can cook it on the fire. Good idea. I think that's a trout. That's a trout. Yep. The salmon's buried.
I'll try to find that salmon. Okay. First, we'll take off the trout off there. This trout's pretty heavy. Huh? I found an eagle.
Yeah. No, they weren't up
Must be
there.
a catfish.
They weren't up there though.
Someone took them out, they shouldn't have.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's a catfish.
This must be for hanging.
We're gonna
That
clean up.
must fell down from up there. It must fell
Yeah.
down from up there. Could you put it back up there, Daddy? This must fell down from up there, this catfish.
Oh, it goes in the. It goes right there in the basket.
Look,
Uh-uh.
no fish.
It's not. No, it's the basket. Find the salmon, honey.
I'm looking for it. I just gotta see what that orange thing is. What is this?
Some sort of tail. It's a pretend one. It's not real.
Stop it.
Looks like a foxtail.
Look, this toy. No way. That's weird.
Find the salmon.
What, come here. Look, I'm looking.
Okay.
Come here. What? What's this? Come and sit
It's a
on
beaver
the
tail.
chair and eat with me.
No, that's.
Now that's real. Those are real pelts. Man, they're just stuffed down in there. That's amazing.
I don't want that one. I want some corn.
That's the red fox.
Okay, I'll share with
Feel how soft it is.
Wow, it is soft. What's this?
That's weird. It was just here.
What's this?
I don't wanna put that on.
What?
No.
Why?
It's crazy.
No,
Look at that.
because yuck. Don't put on hats in some public place.
Gross, it's a fish head.
Look,
Yeah, that kind of looks like a salmon.
it is a salmon.
Is it? Are you gonna
Uh-huh.
cook salmon on the fire?
This is yummy.
It's a mushroom.
I found that.
You found the mushroom?
Uh-huh. I was making that.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Mom, me and my mom was gonna have that.
Honey, everybody's looking. Everybody's looking. You put it on the plate. Good job. Okay, now you can cook it.
I'm gonna
Wash it in the sink.
That's a
Good job.
After I wash it, I'll cook it. I mean, cut it.
Yeah. Have some yummy salmon.
Nice and washed.
Nice and washed.
Now I'll take off that brie and put
Yeah.
this salmon right on that tray and cut off the face.
Yeah. Cut off the face.
And the tail.
Good job.
Fins.
And the fins, yep. You want to cut off the face, the tail, and the fins. That's a good job.
Look at this.
Mm.
Nice and perfect. Now we'll cook it.
Okay.
They got
Here, just get the pan. Okay, and then put your, that's really cool. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, you are just making a beautiful fish over the fire.
I got some fish.
Oh yeah.
And salmon.
You let her know you were cooking fish for her?
I was cooking fish for you.
That's awesome.
And there's more fish in there.
Yeah, put some corn with it.
Okay. I got some corn.
Corn and fish is awesome.
Yeah, corn.
Thank you. I'm shy. Hi. Please
That's a bison. Yeah.
Okay.